tired now, boy.
Is it your birthday, boy? Your first birthday? And that's your present? Oh.
Here
You want to go again, hey?
we go. I'm tired. I think we bought him a Chicken, get him on! Holy shit!
Troy, you're too small
No
for
way.
this.
That's a YouTube video right there.
Yeah. Wow. Go, go, go.
And then
Wheelie.
oh babe, I'm too tired of this. I can't do this anymore.
Why are you crying, Troy? Because we stopped.
Whoa. Got you. There we go, up.
Go faster. Faster, Dada.
Oopsie. Got you.
Well done, boy. First wipe out.
That was your first crash. I can't push it anymore, boy. No, don't stress. Hey, hold your back.
You like your birthday present, boy?
Say, mommy.
You like your birthday present?
Yeah.
Go, Dad, go.